Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's your girl D. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. Me are going to something different. You don't know how the thing goes. So watch you know. I'm gonna be using my phone because the persons that I'm gonna be calling, I want them for not. I don't want them feel like an actual prank. I want them feel like it real. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call some people and tell them say like I'm getting married tomorrow. I'm gonna know it urgent and everything, but in last minute I want them to be made of honor or my best man or whatever. Or I'm also gonna be calling some males and I'm gonna be telling them that listen, a long time we are friends and I want to give this and I want to give that and I'm in a business, boy your girlfriend. I if me and them want a friend, me go say I'm in a business boy your girl. I want to give you a little. So me go give you a little. So who want vex, who want hurt, who want take it serious, and who want laugh and palaff. Right now, we are get straight into the video. So let me see who I'm gonna call first. Okay, let me see if I can trick my uncle, first caller. The boom back should have dead, me could have put the phone on him.
Hello?
Uncle Peter, what going?
Tell me a minute.
Oh, you just left yesterday, so you tell me say you go.
No, because I have to skate somebody with a man at 6 o'clock. Sorry, man. I'm coming late.
Alright, I'm there. Wonder what happened to you and I feel a way.
Nah, man. I have somebody to meet a man tomorrow. Night evening yesterday. 6 o'clock.
Oh, so you're going to meet somebody at Mandeville tomorrow too?
Nah, man. Through the person come. Through the person come. So the taxi man come up there.
Yeah, oh, you just go back with him.
We just cut with him.
Oh, anyways, me have something to tell you, good news.
Ghana.
Me I get married tomorrow.
Alright.
Yeah, but me want you to be my best man.
Alright, I tell.
Yeah, because you know, so I'm not too keep friend.
I'm a little
Yeah, true. I want you to be my maid of honor. You go walk me down the island, so.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
So,
Yeah. How come?
What do you mean by outcomes? Me can't find love and happy.
Say I'm married on the bastard, boy.
And what is? Lord God, me a married man.
I'm not for with missus. Not time for that.
You have close to your gam with Uncle Peter down one of the foolishness. You are my best man. Tomorrow the carrier come down a yard for you 6 o'clock. Cause we are got town. Tomorrow, Uncle Peter, 6 o'clock in the morning, we are got town. You are my best man.
Best man.
Yeah. You're my favorite uncle. You got to be my best man, period. Yeah. So, me I will call you back with the rest of the information tomorrow, but 6 o'clock, yeah? You make me feel like me I do something wrong, brother.
I don't know.
Me I get married, me feel like it's time to get married and just, you know? Yeah.
I ain't yourself so soon.
Me I get married, the boy love me and I love the boy, so why not?
I was boy I'm married to, by the way.
You don't know him, you're going to meet him tomorrow.
No, sir, I'm not going to be no best man to nobody who don't know. He can't be best man to who don't know.
I know that the man the best man. You'll be my best man and you are going to be on my side.
Oh, no, sir, I'm not be done me down. I have to be that easy, I say. Who you want to be? You have to be that dress?
No, me not put in a dress. You have on pants.
No, sir.
Yes. Uncle Peter, be yourself. You're my best man. No, you are my maid of honor. You like, you are my maid of honor. Argument done. Oh God, we did already happy. Make me happier. Why? We said we couldn't choose nobody better. I know. Anyway, yeah, me maid of honor. Tomorrow 6 o'clock, me I come for you down a yard. Alright.
Maid of honor, you must be married. They are the song for some people, yeah.
I prank me, I prank you. I prank me, I prank you.
Prank me.
Yeah.
Now so you have become good man. Made up honor. We have to move yesterday, man.
Alright, my uncle. Alright, later.
Alright, man, yeah.
Alright, guys. So that was the first call. Now we're going to call somebody else. May I try call only family first. Only family first. So, I call my cousin. Call my cousin them prank out them backside. It's about time. Them love going like them can't get pranks. So I prank them. Bree, remember me I do a video for YouTube, so your conversation I go in there, brother. Taj. Hello?
Yeah.
Taj, what going? Me know say suddenly, but more you do something important for me. And me not to really want nobody else. Me not want it too big, me want it little. So me can't me want to do it for me. But so you not, you hear me? Yeah, me I tell you say me have something very, very important. Girl, me happy. Me overly excited, me have something very important for do, but it really short minutes, I will have to do it tomorrow. So, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
So you don't have to worry about no dress nor no, but more you be me maid of honor.
You what?
My maid of honor. I'm getting married tomorrow. I know prank. What make you say I prank me? I prank you.
Yeah, prank me. Who you gonna marry to?
No, Jelani. Me want married to Jelani tomorrow.
So Jelani there.
No worry about that. That we are work pan.
Alright, no problem.
So me I wish me have to go come for you at town 6 o'clock a morning, you know.
Okay.
So are you and Uncle Peter? Uncle Peter gonna be one of me bridesmaid. I are the maid of honor.
Bridesmaid.
Yeah, cause me not too want enough people did this, so me tell him already.
You're not serious because you're laughing at your voice.
Alright, I'm prank. Daviana make me a laugh. Daviana make me a laugh, you know. Sure.
Uncle Peter made of honor.
Yes, I see him. So him cuss me, but if me ring. Daviana there.
Daviana?
Taj.
Mommy.
Hello. I'm on a family reunion this. A live a YouTube video with them make come over my phone. Text him on WhatsApp.
Alright.
But Daviana, you alright? No, sir. Next, Maddie. Alright, me go prank Gar. What you know? I better say Gar go say sitting frig up. Cause I guess what? He claims so me can't prank him, you know. Me no know if I prank him. Wait. Shh. You just do it? I like. Eh?
Sorry, but the person.
Straight by me and guys for one go. Try this. Oh yeah, I say. Guys, me not cut out nothing because I want to see everything, so me not cut nothing. Me just keep it flowing. Period. Me love you know, but me can't bother for me da go do.
Oi.
Garisha.
Eh?
Me say no wonder me did that feel so. You know say me got doctor and pregnant master.
I hear you.
You hear me?
Yeah, break up.
No, me not break up. You hear me now?
No.
God, you said no, you hear me, man.
Me not hear you.
Garisha, oh, you said no, you not hear me. Hey, man, you know, Lord of God, boy, we can't prank you. I'm going to prank you backside. Davina, what you do? Sit now, move up, move up.
Oi.
You hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, me can't bother. Sometimes me can't bother no man. Me vex like a dog, brother.
What?
Me feel like I'm if we go jump off of one cliff. Me don't know what me I go do. Me pregnant.
No, clock, you know, jump off. That's all lie.
What you mean when you jump off a cliff, Garisha? You have to pamper me up and tell me say me no fi jump off, but me fi go jump off. Me pregnant, dog. What me I go do? Yes,
You can't come.
What you say you can't come?
No, me over.
What make?
You, wait, anything you gonna do still?
Me no know if you do, you have to go tell me. You have to go tell me what you do, sir.
Oh, Jesus, you can't bother. That one is too serious.
Me stress out.
What you want to do? You know if it's stress or what you want to do?
Me no know, cause me wonder how me feel so sick. Me just feel sick like a dog, so. So me go to this morning and go take 2 tests. Me stress. When me look, me see 2 big liver thinking red tick. Me have to say blood clot. Me there from morning at pay drink. Me I drink it, baby. Soon wash out.
But one.
Stress out.
Jesus Christ. So what you want to do? What you person think?
Boy, me no know, brother. Me no ask. Me no tell him yet.
So tell him now.
Me afraid, yeah, man. Eh?
And do.
Me afraid to tell him. He won't want it, cause he nah no picking. He won't want it, cause he nah no picking, so he won't want it.
Now what you are going to do?
Then if me tell him that me can't go kill him, me have to go keep him, you know? If me tell him.
That's true.
Mm-hmm. So me no want. Me no want. Lord of God. True. What a way me could prank you? Then no more right now in the back camera. No, sir. You know you can't prank me. Cause me know say you go call. I me prank him. Where say you stress out? Lord of God. Me can't bother. Girl said that can't turn. Alright, do what you want to do. Aye. Lord of God, next caller. Alright. Me I prank my brother now. Hey, what him a go say? Me never have no credit for calling people them with digital phone. He credit when I have a flow. So me so stop, guys. The video now go too long, cause me have to go stop soon. Credit go down. Me send go buy credit when I get it. Brother, boy, me there stressed out like a dog. I don't know what you're going to do. Eh? Eh? Lord have mercy. Why me not think that why for me stress hell about? You don't know, say to me feel sick, so yesterday me gone a Mandeville, but me gone a doctor. Me got a doctor tell me say me for go take pregnancy test. When me take it, 2 big liver ticky. No pregnant, me pregnant, sir. Aye. No, want somebody else. Me I know. Can't bother ya, man. Yeah, what you think me fi do?
I suppose things too, but you're in a certain position where you can't manage that day, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's the problem. That's the only problem. And how long they say?
But see about 1 month.
When you reach so far, probably can try to do something to it.
You say kill him? Wait till we kill him.
Why, man, support that still, but your position is sticky.
True. I prank you, yeah, man.
And how much prank? Mm-hmm. Man, do support that man, but it's sticky, man, but...
True situation with that. Me, you bring me to come home and carry back. Me nobody want it. No. Me there, me still a making video, so when me done, me call you back. Me want some credit, brother. Credit done.
Fucking man, I get my house. You come back and eat that stuff. You just reach out, how long me see you walk? Back one, what do you do now?
You right? Brother, you get credit, me get the credit soon. Send some credit on my phone. Send more $300.
Digital online.
Floor.
Let me have to go buy some credit.
Alright.
I have to go buy some credit. I'm available.
A prank call me I do, but me have to go done now, cause me just get the beep. So me I go text you. See if I can send some credit to me. Alright, me can't call no more digital number because it just beeps. So who me I go call? I have to call people with floor phone. But me not know nobody will have floor phone. Oh, Miss Stephanie, make a trick she. What me I tell him? So me I married or I'm pregnant. Which one? You feel like that we work more? Check him, so maybe me a breed. Me a go ball.
Hello?
Miss Stephanie,
Oi.
I don't feel good.
I want to you.
I'm on the me I come from. Me got a doctor like a while and then doctor come talk about how me pregnant.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
I do it, yeah, me.
I don't joke me, I make me feel stressed out here, man. I don't know if you do me, I do 3 bikini.
I joke you run.
No, me serious, me Stephanie, me can't run them a serious joke, yeah.
So you do the test? You do test?
Mm-hmm.
I you do the test or a doctor do it? Which one of them?
Me do it in front of the doctor.
And it prove positive?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. The doctor said you go buy the test and carry on gear
Yeah, and then me go pee in the bathroom.
and carry go gear.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. And it show positive.
Yeah.
Okay, how you go manage now?
I don't know. I don't know me I go do.
So you tell you how much? You tell you how young it is?
I must say 1 month. Me never did ask. Me have to do ultrasound.
Hmm?
Me have to go do ultrasound for that day. I must say about 1 month.
You say it young.
Mm-hmm.
So when your last period?
Last month.
Oh, but last month, but you still only 1 month.
Yeah, that 1 month. Cause I guess I remember saying me miss it. Oh yeah, you know, fully 1 month. But that's what I mean. I say.
It depends on the
Ye-
early period or late period.
Yeah, that me I say. Cause me have to go do ultrasound to know how exactly how long it be.
No, me I say if your period was early or late.
Oh,
Down the month or late down the month.
did the 13.
Oh, say that early.
Mm-hmm.
So out after. So after your period then.
Mm-hmm.
So you still the 13 an hour. Or you know the 12.
Yeah, today I 12.
So tomorrow the 13 and
1 month. Mm-hmm.
So anyway, take care of still 1 month.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Me that hot, me brother. Are we cage are they?
So they home, you know.
Oh.
That, home now.
Oh. Well, me don't know what me I gotta do ya man.
But you not married, so what you gonna do?
Me I just scare them too, you come here and go and raise the boy.
What's you? Give me.
Or me keep it baby and give it baby and take them a 2 ya.
Give me. What's you? Lord God.
Lord Jesus. Stressful.
Lord of mercy. You come already, so?
I prank you. I prank you though. You're the prank call.
Eh?
I prank you, sir.
between you come already.
That's true. But guess me what now? I tell me that go tell us me I'm married and I want you to be made of honor tomorrow, you know. But then
Married nothing.
then that me say you don't just pick up that they want to fall. So me just switch you up. Lord of God. Yeah. Yeah, me know. No, yeah, me girl, you know, so yeah, my girl. Me I will call you back when me done. Me still up on the video. Ah, true. True. No, sir, never. That not go happen. Alright, then later, yeah? Alright, who else me go call now? Who else me know with positive say have flow number? We can prank. Wait, what? 200. Me tell you one fact.